Alright, number 10 says to estimate the number of trout in a lake. A conservationist catches 250 trout, tags them, and throws them back in the lake. Later, 150 trout are caught. 5 of them are tagged. Approximately how many trout are in the lake? So we have 250 tagged. We caught 150 and 5 were tagged. Alright. So the proportion needs to look like this. 5 are tagged out of the 250 total that are in the lake, and 150 were caught out of how many? So we got two totals. We got 5 and 150 compared to each other, and these are the tagged amounts, these are the total amounts that's not tagged. So we're going to cross multiply because X is on the bottom, so we got to get on the top. So that'll give us 5 times X equals 250 times 150. Alright, and then we will divide by 5 to get X by itself. Alright, so we're going to do 250 times 150 divided by 5. And I guess the hardest part of this is just trying to make sure you set up the proportions right. 150 times 250 divided by 5. So we would estimate about 7,500 fish in this lake based on that rate. So we would estimate that there would be 7,500 trout. Alright, number 11. The distance between city A and city B is 3,000 miles. On a certain map, the distance is represented by 15 inches. Alright, so we got city A, city B, 15 inches, and it's actually 3,000. So I'm going to put those together. Alright, the actual distance between city C and D is 31. Alright, so I know the actual distance is going to match up with that actual distance, 31. How far are they apart on the same map? Alright, so unknown here. So in this case, since I have my variable on the top, all I have to do is multiply by the 3,100 to get X by itself. Alright, so that will divide out. So we're going to do 3,100 times 15 divided by 3,000. And that will give us what we need. So clear. We're going to do 3,100 times 15. And then divide that by 3,000. And about 15.5 inches. So we get 15.5 equals X. 15.5. Now, this one says simplify, type an integer, fraction, or a mixed number. So a mixed number, meaning I want to write this as 15 and 1/2, because 0.5 is a half. So I actually want to write 15 and 1/2 as my mixed number. So be careful to look at how they want it. So 15, 1 divided by 2, 15 and 1/2.